Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Said was saying that he defamed his character, he's intimidating him, and also we were in the police headquarters, and the man even begged him, Portable begged him, the CP begged him, but he said no, that until they brought him to court, and we are in court, and thank God he has been granted bail. Though the condition is a bit stringent, but we'll meet up by the grace of God.
What is the condition? Can you tell us?
That you should provide chairman of PMAN for Kwara State.
PMAN as well.
PMAN, this performing musician association of Nigeria, and someone that has a landed property at GRA. And we are meeting up by the
So what is your name and your position to the?
I'm the lawyer to the defendant, Portable.
Your name, sir?
I'm Chief Barrister Zisodel.